Alright, hello guys, welcome to the 4 and 5 combined of our C++ beginner friendly programming tutorial. So this week we are diving into something very fundamental and important, right? So that's expressions and statements. So if you've ever wondered why C++ or how C++ does things line by line, then this is it. So let's get straight into it. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into expressions and statements in a beginner-friendly manner. Alright, let's get into it.
Alright, so guys, as you said, expression basically is anything that can be evaluated to produce a value. For example, 5 plus 3 or x star y, you will definitely get a value. So if we run this, you will see that we gain a compiles, right? But it compiles without you executing anything, as no result. Why? Because we didn't use the cout statement, right? We just declared the expression without using the cout. So we are basically performing simple arithmetic expression. That's like adding two integers actually. But remember that if we want to see the results, we have to show on the screen that we used the cout statement. So without that, yes, your program will run, but you wouldn't receive an outcome. So basically, that is why our program ran, but we didn't receive an outcome, because we didn't see out the results to be displayed on the screen. So yes, there was no error, it ran effectively, but as a result of the fact that there wasn't a cout statement for results, we rather received a blank space. So the code compiled and ran without errors, but when you execute it, you see nothing, as in no result, no text, just a clean terminal window. Alright, so we are getting rid of this to dive straight into what a statement basically entails. Alright guys, so as you said, a statement is basically a complete instruction in C++. So what it does is that it tells a program to do something. So for example, variable declaration, assignment, loops, conditionals, all these are statements that we deal with in C++. So as we can see here, we have declared an assignment. We have declared plus we've assigned a statement, as you can see in the comments that we've done there. And the x is equal to int x equal to 8, then we have x equal to x plus 2. So basically, we have so many types of statements. We have expression statements, we have compound statements, we have control statement that we'll later talk about in function. So if we happen to run this code, we will have to get an answer basically. So let's finish up with our code. Right, so we are diving straight into running our code. There are no errors, so we are free to go. We got 18, so when we compound and run, our answer was 18. So basically, it's a very simple tutorial on what expressions entails. Alright, so guys, that brings us to the end of a combination of statements and expressions. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. I'll catch you on functions. That'll be our next topic.
Alright guys, so we just finished with expressions and statements. That's week 4 and week 5 combined.